Well, good morning, YouTube, and my viewers and subscribers. Thank you. All 169 of my subscribers and my viewers. Appreciate you. This is William from Williams, Philippines. Yeah, yesterday was rough. I ended up, 8,300 steps just at work, and then I went out and did other stuff. Wouldn't be so bad, but those up and down the stair trips, yeah, I'm feeling those today. Just running back and forth to the bathroom and having to go up and down a half flight of stairs to do that. My calves are going like, quit. We quit. So yeah, fun day though. I've got 6 wraps around the building already. I think I'm only going to get 10 or 12 today. 19 was just way too much. I'm going to take and claim a 10 or 12 and just say it's a rest day. Breakfast was real interesting too. Started at 5, didn't get to stop cooking until 7:30. Yeah. Needless to say, I'm definitely ready for the Philippines. I'm wanting to get over there and start enjoying it. That's why I'm trying to do all this exercise to build up. I can see I need to add in more steps. Stairs. Yeah. 3.5 plus miles just here at the job during work. And then I don't know what, I didn't carry one with me for everything else. All I know is I'm tired. My feet hurt and my calves are telling me nasty stories. Well, I barely even got to watch the videos from YouTube in the last 24 hours. I tried to go to sleep after I got home from doing everything, but pretty much I just laid there and, yeah, even with a bit of soaking in Epsom salt. Getting up and moving, it was an interesting process this morning, or this evening, however you want to see it. I did get over and get the paperwork done for getting the ticket dismissed through defensive driving course. So there goes 200. Yay. And yeah, all kinds of happy about that. Got to talk to my doctor's office about getting a medical prescription refilled, because I no longer have my heart doctor. I'm down to just my regular doctor, so I had to call him and get that rescheduled or re-prescribed. Yeah, fun stuff. Went by the bank and got the addresses changed, and here shortly, after I've got a couple more pieces of mail through my post box, my Anytime box, I'll go ahead and drop that over to paperless. And sometime about the time I have to get ready to leave here, I'm going to have to go over and move my physical address to my aunt's house with my bank. And I need to do that with my Schwab account also. And I need to get these other ones set up to go to my Anytime, my credit cards set up to go to Anytime, because they were going to the now dead box and I need to get them swapped over to going to the new box. So, and having that as my address, because, well, that's what we always want to do, is have to redo work. Yeah. I'm not happy with that guy that was providing the service. I like the company that's providing it. I just don't like that guy trying to cut out and go over and make more money elsewhere. I understand it, but yeah, he shouldn't have taken the contract if he didn't like the amount of money he was being paid. And, well, he sure created a bunch of problems for everybody by just upping and walking. Yeah. And, yeah, I'm not happy with him. Whole nother story, though. But I can tell you that it's definitely irritating to have to go back and rework things. I don't know about you, but I just don't like having to do it. Let's see. Got to talk to one of my friends today, and that warped sense of humor. Some folks are sicker than others. I'm sicker than most. What scares me are the ones that are sicker than I am, and that's most of my friends. Yeah. It is what it is. But I have some good friends that I joke around with. And, yeah. I enjoy talking to them. And that's part of the reason I do this, is to be able to let them know they can talk to me when we can, and they can keep up with me here when they want to. Yeah. All I know is I'm not got as many friends as I had at the beginning of the years, and I'm worried about one of them or two of them that I'm probably going to lose in the next year. One for sure. I don't know if he'll make it to me leaving here. He's really looking rough. It is what it is. But hey, none of us get out of this alive. The question is, did you live? You know, and yeah. I'm ready to get over and really start enjoying living. I've been nose to the grindstone for a long time, just keeping the three-ring circus going. I wish I'd have done a better job at it. I can honestly say I didn't do as good as I should have. But that's a whole nother three-ring circus. That's why I'm in such sad shape as it is right now. I didn't keep up. I kind of just brushed it to the side and let it sit there and deteriorate. Well, now I'm having to come back and build it back up and, you know, make it better. That's why all the exercise. And let me tell you, it's showing. I feel it. But hey, between everything I did out there and everything I did here today or yesterday at work, yeah, I did a good 5.5 miles in one day. I'd like to get to where that's an easy, normal day, but ain't going to be this week or even this month. I don't think it'll be even next month, but want to work for that, as you know, try to get up to where I'm doing 5 miles a day every day. Yeah. So I've got to kick things in gear. That's why I'm trying to step up. But today is literally, I'm going to do some. I've already done 6 reps. I'm probably going to try to get 6 more reps in. And yeah, try to average, somewhere between 10 and 12 here at my job. Tours around the building. Probably won't be as much as I would like, but I'll probably try to kick it up by the end of the month to 15. Stay there for a month. Maybe shoot for 20 after that. But I do need to add in my wraps for through the building, up and down the stairs. So I'll just start counting those as one more lap. Whether it's a up and down the stairs lap or around the building lap, it's about the same distance. But the stairs, yeah. Oh yeah. They add in some extra. I'm noticing it real bad today. Yeah. I would not recommend running around, 3 flights of stairs, going up and 3 flights of stairs coming down, and doing that 3 times, plus all the distance of the building in between them. And I end up with 6 of that going back and forth. That's why that's actual a lot of, that's actual lot of work. Yeah, it is work. But I did manage to talk to a few folks. I might have got my kitty cats gone, and we'll see. That's one of the things in the process. I don't know about you, but I'm trying to continue the build up and continue the here with this. I know I'm not doing a lot of high fancy stuff. I videotape this, or whatever you want to call it. I look at the camera and do this, talk. Paste it over into the upload thing and slap the tags on it. Make it pretty easy for me. But I'm trying to keep that up every day, and it does require time. So yeah, I'm trying to get that going and keep that going on a regular basis. I figure, like I said, I'd like to have at least 300 and 350 would be even better. And hey, if I can get the whole year, one a day for the whole year, yeah, that'd be even better. But 350, I think, that gives me 15 misses in a year, 1 a month, a little over, maybe 2 a month on a few. But yeah, I'm trying to do what I can. I do notice that I goofed on uploading. I videotaped it, loaded it up, and then didn't publish it on one a couple days ago. So you ended up getting 2 back to back when I did publish them or put them for public. Yeah. Sorry. It was videotaped on time and then turned around and yeah. I'll try not to do that again. Goofs happen. But yeah, I'm trying to get this took care of and build. Like I say, I'm ready to go to the Philippines. I wish I could go now. Oh yeah, I wish I could go now. But I'm looking at 9 months. I know I've been saying that a little while. Had some adjustments in there. So literally, now I'm at 9 months, whether it's positive 2 weeks or negative 2 weeks. Or 3. I'm okay with that. I'd like to be out earlier, but hey, it might be, yeah. like I say, June 10th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, somewhere in that ballpark's really looking the best price-wise. And I did look, and if I go from here, the costs of carrying my extra bag through that airline will cost me more. And booking it that way and then showing up in Dallas, even though I had a ticket from Amarillo to there, they said no-show fee on that to get onto the plane would be another $100, which defeats the purpose. Yeah. You can't win for losing, apparently, with airlines. They've got it set up so they win. So, yeah. No matter what, one way or another, you are paying for luggage and all that fun stuff. So, I'm still keeping it as an option. We'll see. But yes, I'm definitely ready to get out of here. I just wish I could go right this minute, but choices. I'm not going to shoot myself in the foot. I'm not going to kill my wallet to leave early. So, yeah. But yes, that is important to get over there and do things, to delay getting there until, June, July. I don't know, if everything is completely lined up, I'd probably even try to go in May. But looking at the cost difference, like I said, $600 savings on airplane ticket by delaying, and then the time to actually delay from May to June and July, and gives me, 2 more months of extra paycheck coming in, and that also gives me more time to pay off more bills, so that less of it's coming out, and I can be completely debt free before I go, and have a little bit more built up. Because I do plan on heading over there and being able to go get my eyes fixed. And if I could just pull that out of cash instead of, credit card, debit card, instead of having to put it on a credit card, that would be better. Debit card's definitely better than using a credit card on it, unless I get to just pay the credit card right back, which you got to have the money in the bank to take and do that. So being able to delay that little bit saves me $600 and lets me make 2 more paychecks, 3 more, 4 more, depending. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try to put that toward the bank, and at that point I'm pretty much gonna be out of my house, or at least not have a house payment anymore, and just trying to get everything sold off and gone. So yeah, all that fun stuff. I don't know about you, but I want to be as financially set to go there as possible. The finances is got to be done right. You just don't mess yourself over that way, especially when you can make the better choice. Anyway, choices, that's what life's about. The more right ones you make, the better your life is. I wish I'd have made a lot better choices when I was young, but hey, young and dumb, we gotta learn. Sometimes it takes Stupid Street to knock us around enough that we wake up and grow up. It can be painful. Anyway, Williams Philippines, I'm fishing. Hey, fish is out.